welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. I'm Ashley Michelle and I'm back with another hair video. And as you saw, I did bangs again, but this time I did them a little bit different and I did them on a closure. So this is the hair we're using. I can't remember where this hair is from. I'm super duper sorry, but I think it's a 22 inch 4x4 closure unit. I truly can't remember where this hair is from. I am so sorry, but yeah. I got a closure because I already had the bangs in mind, and I just, cut my lace off, and then, I tinted the lace first, and then I cut my lace off, and then I just popped that bad boy on as a closure. So this cute. Video over. This is cute. No. Anyways, I did 3 layers of this glue because I wanted this wig to stay on for a while. So I did 3 layers of my bowl hold active, and I let it dry clear between each layer, and then I stuck it down on the last layer. Don't talk about my braids. Don't talk about the beginning of my braids. Don't do that. Don't do things like that. Okay? Be a nice human being. All right? And don't comb glue into your edges like how I just did. Like, my edges are fine. I just got a big forehead. And my edges didn't get ripped out. But my edges are fine. But that's because I take my wigs off for the most part, like, right. But please don't do stuff like that. That is bad wig etiquette. Really bad wig etiquette. Don't do things like that. Okay? Be better than me. Do as I say, not as I do. But then I just went in and I was pushing it in with my fingers, and then I pushed it in with the end of a rat tail comb, and then I went in with my elastic band, and I let that sit on for a little while. Honestly, it was probably no more than 2.5 minutes. I don't know what it is, and I know that this thing can work miracles in folks' lives. But I hate sitting with it on my head. Like, it don't even gotta be sitting with it super duper tight and uncomfortable. I just hate having it on my head. I don't know what it is. I hate it. Okay, hate it. But while that's on, I'm just gonna take my cheese silk infusions and my hot comb, flat iron, and I'm just gonna flatten out. I'm just gonna straighten out my hair while I am waiting for all of that to melt. So I probably did have this on for more than 3 minutes. Look at me lying. Why am I always lying to y'all? Well, usually I don't have it on for more than 2-3 minutes because I hate it. I really do. But since I was preoccupied doing something else, I guess I let it sit longer. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch me straighten this hair real quick. I was working that oil in really well. But yeah. Let me tell y'all how the urge, when I see how that lace was looking, the urge to slap 2 little baby hairs on the side and do a bust nail middle, oh my god, it was like fighting withdrawal pain. Like, I swear it was the worst. I wanted to just do a bust nail middle so bad because that is my comfort style. That's the style that make me feel the prettiest. Not that bangs make me look ugly, but like, ugh. A long straight black middle part just makes me feel so good about myself. I'm ordering this. I'm about to go and see where I got this from and order this wig again and just do a straight middle because I'm about to cry just not doing it. Like, even watching it, I wanted to do a middle part so... I mean, I ended up doing a middle part, but like just a regular middle. Oh my god, I wanted to do a middle part so bad. It would have been so cute if I had just put like 2 little baby hairs on the side. But I said it wouldn't have. It would have been so cute. But you see what I'm doing. I do this every video. And if you watch my videos, then you know what I'm doing. If you don't, you just know you ain't supposed to know. I don't know what to tell you. No, I'm playing. But I'm just making sure that everything is nice and flat. So I use my, my Care Care? Yes. I use my Care Care wax stick on sections. So like I went into the part, I parted off a section underneath my main part, and then I hope that makes sense. I did it in sections. I don't know, I'm confusing myself. I'm so sorry. But what I do wish I did, I wish that I sectioned out the bang part before doing that because it was oily at the top, so it made it kind of difficult, like really to gauge where the bangs were. Like, well, not gauge where they were, but more like gauge how cute they were, because it was a little bit oily at the top of my bangs. So I just wish I had did this part before, you know, really setting the dent in my hair with the hot comb and the wax stick. But it still turned out freaking amazing, and it did last, you know, a very long time. So here I'm just putting the hot comb to it again just to cover up that part. Like I said, I wish I had did this before. Like I should have did the part and the hot comb and all that after I sorted out where I wanted my bangs and how I wanted my bangs and all those type of bang things. But you live and you learn. Come on. Excuse me. Anyways, so then I went in with my razor comb that is pretty dull, and I cut my bangs and they were super duper straight for some reason. And then I bumped them ever so slightly, because we don't want a grandma bump bang. That's ugly. And they were still too long, so I went in, but I was being very, very cautious because too short bangs kill me. I don't care. Kill me. I had a very specific vision for these bangs. I wear glasses daily, so I wanted them like right. I didn't even want them above my glasses. Above my glasses would have gave too short. Like above my glasses, if they were bumped, would have been okay. I feel like they would have been bumped hard, but I wanted them borderline sitting on my glasses. That's just like, that was the length I wanted. I didn't want anything shorter than that. I would have, you know, cried in the video. But y'all just see me going in with my scissors in conjunction with the hot comb and the flat iron just to make sure everything looked right. And I went in with the upward motion of the scissors just to like cut out some of the bulkiness at the bottom, if any, which it was. And yeah, this is a really, really, really quick hairstyle. I swear it was. So after this, I just took my hair down out of the clip because I wanted to do some face framing layers. Just a little bit, just on the parts that actually hit my face. So I was combing out my bangs just to see like on the sides really where they like fell, and then I'm gonna go and like section out a piece on the side. Hold on, I'm straightening it to make sure it's straight as possible. I sectioned it out, and then I went from like kind of a little bit under where my bang ended, and then just went all the way down. And like I said, just light, very, very light face framing. I didn't want to do nothing too crazy, but yeah. And after this, everything is going to be strictly me looking cute. It's not going to be anything educational. Me not giving any tips, any pointers, anything like that. It's just me looking cute. Obviously, I did the same thing on the other side. So without that being said, actually I did say it. So with that being said, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. I urge you to try bangs. Bangs are amazing. Bangs are so cute. Like, they're so cute. Just don't mess them up, but they're really, really cute. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one.